Mars. The very name conjures up images of a distant world, a crimson jewel hanging in the velvet darkness of space. It is a planet that has captivated humanity for millennia. Its fiery glow, visible to the naked eye, has sparked countless myths and legends. But Mars is more than just a celestial object of wonder. It is a world of its own, with its own unique history and geology. A place of towering volcanoes, vast canyons, and frozen polar ice caps. Today, Mars stands as a beacon of scientific inquiry. It is a planet that holds the potential to answer some of our biggest questions about the universe, including the possibility of life beyond Earth. Join me, fellow travelers of the cosmos, as we embark on an extraordinary journey to explore Mars. We will delve into its physical characteristics, its place in our solar system, and its profound connection to the Roman god of war, whose name it bears. Let us begin our cosmic adventure to unravel the mysteries of the Red Planet. Gazing up at the night sky, one cannot help but notice a distinctive reddish-orange star. This celestial beacon is no star, but Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system. Its striking color, visible even to the unaided eye, has earned it the moniker the Red Planet. This rusty hue originates from iron oxide, more commonly known as rust, prevalent on the Martian surface. Imagine a planet-sized desert, its sands painted a vibrant crimson by countless eons of oxidation. This unique characteristic sets Mars apart, making it easily identifiable among the celestial tapestry. Unlike the distant stars that twinkle, Mars shines with a steady light. This distinction arises from its planetary nature. Stars, immense balls of burning gas, emit their own light. Planets, on the other hand, reflect the sun's light just like our own Earth. This reflected sunlight is what we perceive as the steady glow of Mars. Its color and steady shine captivated ancient civilizations, sparking their curiosity and leading to the birth of myths and legends surrounding this enigmatic planet. Our understanding of Mars has been dramatically reshaped by robotic explorers dispatched from Earth. These mechanical emissaries have unveiled a world both familiar and alien, a testament to the boundless capacity of science and human ingenuity. Orbiting probes, equipped with high-resolution cameras, have mapped the Martian surface in exquisite detail. We now know Mars to be a world scarred by ancient impacts, etched with vast canyons and dotted with towering volcanoes, some dwarfing even the largest on Earth. Rovers, like intrepid geologists, have trundled across the Martian plains, analyzing the composition of rocks and soil. These robotic explorers have uncovered evidence of past liquid water, suggesting a time when Mars may have been warmer and wetter, perhaps even capable of supporting life as we know it. The data beamed back from these robotic pioneers paint a picture of a planet with a complex and dynamic history, a planet that may hold the key to unlocking some of the universe's most profound secrets, including the question of whether we are alone in the cosmos. Nestled between the Earth and the asteroid belt, Mars circles our Sun, a celestial neighbor in the vastness of space. Despite its proximity, Mars is a world apart, with its own unique characteristics and quirks that set it apart from our blue planet. One striking difference is its size. Mars is significantly smaller than Earth, roughly half its diameter and possessing only about 10% of its mass. Imagine shrinking our planet down, its continents and oceans compressed onto a smaller sphere. This difference in size translates to weaker gravity on Mars, about 38% that of Earth. Another notable difference lies in their orbital periods. While Earth takes 365 days to complete one orbit around the Sun, Mars takes almost twice as long, roughly 687 Earth days. This means a year on Mars is almost twice as long as a year on Earth. Imagine celebrating birthdays every 2 Earth years, a Martian quirk that would surely make for unique celebrations. These differences in size and orbital characteristics have profound implications for the Martian environment. They influence everything from the planet's atmosphere and climate to the potential for liquid water on its surface. Understanding these differences is crucial as we continue to explore and unravel the mysteries of our enigmatic neighbor. Section 5. Mars in Mythology, the warring deity of ancient Rome. Long before the advent of telescopes and robotic explorers, ancient civilizations looked up at the night sky and wove stories about the celestial objects they observed. Mars, with its distinctive red hue, held a prominent place in their myths and legends. In Roman mythology, Mars was revered as the god of war, a powerful and fearsome deity. He was often depicted clad in shining armor, wielding a spear and shield, embodying the violence and chaos of battle. His name itself became synonymous with conflict and bloodshed. Mars was not just a god of war, however, he was also associated with agriculture and protection, reflecting the duality of his nature. He was seen as a protector of crops and livestock, and his festivals were celebrated with offerings and sacrifices to ensure bountiful harvests. This duality, the capacity for both destruction and protection, made Mars a complex and multifaceted deity. His influence permeated Roman society, shaping their beliefs, rituals, and even their political landscape. The cult of Mars was deeply ingrained in Roman culture, a testament to the enduring power of myth and the human fascination with the cosmos. Section 6. The Crimson Connection: Why Mars honors the god of war. The fiery red hue of Mars, visible even to the naked eye, undoubtedly captivated the imaginations of ancient civilizations. It was a color associated with blood, fire, and war, concepts deeply intertwined with the Roman god of war, Mars. This celestial object, blazing a crimson trail across the night sky, seemed to embody the very essence of their war deity. It was as if the heavens themselves were reflecting the fury and chaos of the battlefield. Thus, the connection between the planet and the god was forged, a testament to the human tendency to find patterns and meaning in the cosmos. The association of Mars with the god of war was not limited to the Romans. Other cultures, observing the same fiery planet, developed their own myths and legends, often linking it to conflict and bloodshed. This shared symbolism across different civilizations speaks to the universal human experience of war and the profound impact celestial objects had on our ancestors. The naming of Mars after the Roman god of war is a testament to the enduring power of myth and the human fascination with the cosmos. It reminds us that our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving, shaped by both scientific discoveries and the stories we tell ourselves about our place in the grand scheme of things. Section 7. Cultural echoes: Mars in the tapestry of human history. The association of Mars with the god of war has resonated throughout history, leaving its mark on our language, art, and even our scientific endeavors. The planet's name has become a metaphor for conflict, aggression, and the pursuit of conquest. In language, we use terms like martial and Martian to evoke images of war and aggression. The very month of March, named after Mars, was traditionally a time for military campaigns in ancient Rome. These linguistic echoes remind us of the enduring legacy of Roman mythology and its influence on Western culture. In art and literature, Mars has been a source of inspiration for centuries. From classical sculptures depicting the god of war to science fiction novels imagining Martian civilization, the red planet has captured our collective imagination, reflecting our fears, hopes, and aspirations. Even in science, the influence of Mars's namesake is evident. The search for life on Mars, a driving force behind many missions to the red planet, can be seen as a quest to understand the potential for both conflict and cooperation beyond Earth. The legacy of Mars, the god of war, continues to shape our understanding of this enigmatic planet. Section 8. Conclusion: Mars, a planet of science and myth. From a fiery point of light in the night sky to a world of towering volcanoes and vast canyons, Mars has journeyed through the realms of myth and science, captivating humanity for millennia. Its crimson hue, a beacon across the cosmos, inspired ancient civilizations to weave tales of war and bloodshed, forever linking the planet to the Roman god Mars. Today, armed with the tools of science, we are peeling back the layers of this enigmatic world, revealing a planet shaped by both fiery cataclysms and the tantalizing possibility of past life. Our robotic emissaries traversing the Martian plains send back data that challenges our assumptions and fuels our desire to unravel the red planet's secrets. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of Martian exploration, the legacy of Mars, the god of war, continues to linger. It reminds us that our understanding of the universe is a tapestry woven from both scientific discoveries and the stories we tell ourselves about our place amongst the stars. The red planet, once a symbol of conflict, now beckons us with the promise of discovery and the potential for expanding our understanding of life itself. Mars, a planet of science and myth, continues to inspire us to reach for the stars and explore the boundless wonders of the cosmos. Section 9, bonus section, fun facts about Mars. A day on Mars is only slightly longer than an Earth day, lasting about 24.6 hours. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, named after the horses that pulled the chariot of the god Mars. The tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is located on Mars, soaring 3 times higher than Mount Everest. The atmosphere on Mars is incredibly thin, about 1% the density of Earth's atmosphere, making it difficult for liquid water to exist on the surface. Scientists believe that Mars may have once had a much thicker atmosphere and liquid water oceans, making it a potentially habitable planet in the distant past.